This is Michael Castaneda of Plastic Audio, and today I am doing an unboxing video of the Tascam PocketStudio 5. I'm well aware that this video is going to get 0 views, but nonetheless I'm stoked to do it. A couple days ago when I was running gear for a job, I saw this in my friend's office and asked him what it was, and when he told me, I was hooked. After he told me what it was, he said the 4 words that all audio engineers love to hear: do you want it? Before he ended that sentence, it was in my hand. I was out the door, went home, and tried to do some research on what this is. So I'm going to read you the description of what it is from Tascam's website. The PocketStudio 5 is the new compact multi-track digital recorder from the world leader in digital audio technology, Tascam. It's a portable 4-track digital recorder that uses innovative compact flashcards for media. In addition to its 4 audio tracks for your vocals, guitars, and other instruments, the PocketStudio 5 features an internal MIDI tone module, so it can be used to play back sequences along with its audio tracks. Plus, you get 100 standard MIDI files included, so you can plug it in and immediately start jamming over multiple genres of backing music. For completely polished productions, the PocketStudio 5 adds over 100 built-in great sounding effects for instruments and vocals. As if that weren't cool enough, you can make a final stereo mix in MP3 format and send it to your computer with PocketStudio 5's USB port for placement on websites and emailing to friends. So here we go, the Tascam PocketStudio 5. I love the version 2.0 sticker right there. Tascam foam. We get documentation, getting started, and then we have the documentation for the version 2 release notes. We have the CD that contains the 100 backing tracks, MIDI tracks that you can jam along to, I think they said in the description. You get more documentation for registration stuff, and then this is how it looks in the box. Good? So you get the actual module itself. It's called a PocketStudio. It's not necessarily pocket size, but that's marketing at its best. You get the 2 TRS inputs, gain knobs. You get a headphone out, a line out, MIDI, power, USB connectivity, and then one of my favorite things about this is right here. Flip it over. You push this button and out pulls the compact flash card. Now this is a 32 megabyte compact flash card, which is going to give you about 10 minutes of audio. But in 2001 that was pretty impressive. So here's the PocketStudio. You get the AC adapter, and then you also get, which is really cool, you get headphones that have a, still sealed. You get headphones that have a built-in condenser microphone. So you can put that on, and as you're rocking out and jamming, you can record vocals. So, question, why in the hell am I doing an unboxing video of a PocketStudio 5? So one of the biggest questions that I get from podcasters that I see on podcasting forums is, how can I get free music? Where do I get free music? I need theme music, please help. I'm fortunate enough that I was a music major, so I have a background in music. So for this podcast that I'm going to be coming out with next year, that I announced a couple weeks ago in a video, I'm actually going to be doing all of the music and sound design for each episode. So I have a bunch of gear myself, but I'm always looking for more gear. And I like old, outdated gear like this that I'm going to use to make music for my show for. So, you know, again, when I went to rent that gear and I saw this and then I found out what it was and all the things it can do, I mean, I can't wait to use this for my show next year. So I'm really excited about that. So thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If you're not following this channel, please follow this channel. Follow Plastic Audio on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube at Plastic Audio. And thanks for watching the video.